Hey folks, Fat Guy Flies RC right here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the PA-18 1300mm FMS Super Cub. Alright, got a little bit of wind that keeps changing directions, so we're just going to do whatever we can do. Right, left, up, down, right, left. My timer set for 5.5 minutes. Let me make sure my mic is on. I don't think we turned them off. So, mic on up there? Okay. Right, left, up, right, left. Motor on. All right, we're going to actually turn back towards the highway a little bit. All right. Here we go. I'm running a, I'll go straight up. Stall turn. Okay. I'm running a 3600 3S Chronix LiPo from China Hobby. I can't, and it's hard to believe I got a 3600 in there, but it's just a little bitty brick. But it just fits in the battery bay ever so perfectly on this plane. Yeah, she can just about hover. All right, we're going to bring her back, put my landing flaps down. We're going to try to land it right here on the grass, despite what the wind is doing. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. All right, we're going to take it forward and see if we can't walk the dog a little bit. There we go, walk the dog just a touch. I think I'm just going to leave my flaps in. All right, if you look at them flying right over that circle right now. Whoa. Yeah, I almost caught the wingtip on those grass there. All right, what we're going to do, we're going to see if I can't spot land on that circle again. Which that is not easier said. Nope. Nope, 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 nope. All right, let's try it again. This little rascally guy. We're going to go straight up here, walk the dog a little bit. We're going to try doing it without flaps. Let's see if I can do it without flaps. I couldn't even do it with flaps, so let's see if I can do it without flaps. And if I can do it, if I can't, it's all right. No big deal. Just trying to have a little bit of fun here. Looking good so far. Ah! Actually, I got to come in from the other direction because that's with the wind. Let me, I'm going to take her up. All right. Actually, the wind has changed directions again. Let's try this again. We will do it with flaps. Okay. I did it! Get turned around here. Of course, I had to slap her down right there. All right, let's tell us enough of that for now. Take her up. Do a turn. All right. Whoa. She going crazy on me. All right.
Landing flaps.
Find your center line. Whoa. All right, let's get turned around.
Take off flaps. Flaps up.
Here we go. To the knife edge. And all a knife edge is turning your plane up on her side and then using your rudder as your elevator. And that's all that is.
Landing flaps.
Great little plane, very stable, very predictable. And for $199, I think she's still $199. There you go. Pilot didn't even spill his martini. Well, he did now. Yeah, there at the end he spilled his martini, didn't he? And those are pneumatic tires, so you need to get your little bicycle pump, or like you'd use for a basketball or for a football, little metal needle, and that's what you use to air up the tires. You want to keep them just a little bit soft to help with them landings. Kind of a little bit of a crazy turn there. A crazy turn, man. Crazy turn. There. I'm going to try to do a coordinated turn now, even though and what that is, I'm trying to turn the plane as flat as possible, trying to keep it basically two-dimensional. In other words, trying to keep the wings level as I fly her. So, all right, let's land her. Run her pretty hard because I was doing a lot of weird maneuvers there. Bouncy, bouncy, but that's going to be expected on a hard surface and then big bouncy tires. Motor off. We ran for 5 minutes solid. And let's see what kind of juice we got in the tank. Now, on this plane, this antenna here, that's just a zip tie that I have fished up through there in order to get a hold of the battery hatch, because that battery hatch, it fits so tight that you're going to keep taking your fingernails to take that out, and you're going to get up that paint. So you can see that's just the end of a zip tie that I've fished through there. Now that is that Chronix brick battery. It's a 3600 3S from China Hobby line. Fits in there perfectly. You could actually, if you take it easy, you could fly this plane for 10 minutes. But hard flying like I've been doing, yeah, 5 minutes. Let's see what kind of juice we got in the tank right now. But that Chronix battery is it's like custom made for this plane. All right, we're going to end that flight there for that one. With these smart checkers, hold them in your right hand. Oh gosh, look at that. What happened? Flew her pretty hard. Still got 65% left in that battery. Wow, that is something else. Well folks, there you go. That is the FMS PA-18 1300 millimeter, the little brother to the 1700 millimeter Super Cub. I got this from Fair RC. You can get it, of course, from FMS directly. Great plane, very stable, fun to fly. For $199, you get these air-filled tires, you get flaps, you get lights, and you get the reflex gyro in it, which has stability and AS3X style wind mitigation. Good plane. Now, if you're going to use that gyro and you also have thrust reverse, you'll have to have a 7-channel radio. They don't tell you that. If you want to use thrust, and I do have thrust reverse, I didn't show it though. You'll need a 7-channel radio or receiver. So, all right, folks, y'all have a good one. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all, and don't forget, faith, family, and friends, and then planes. Bye-bye.